Hello guys, hello Africa, hello Cameroon, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll be talking about this app called Kupshi. As you can see here, Kupshi is the African business fixer. Like, we are using this app to just fix your businesses. We fix your processes, we make sure that you understand what your business is. And this app is quite good for SMEs, like small and medium-sized enterprises. So if you're doing some kind of business from home, or you have an online business, or you have a small store, a supermarket, or just any kind of business, services, manufacturing, restaurants, this app is perfect for you. So I'll be doing a small presentation for you guys to know what you've got here. And if you need this app, contact me. It's a web application and we can customize it for you, and you can just use this anywhere. You can use it on your phone, on your computer, and anywhere you are in the world, you can access your data. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard. So the dashboard, you're going to see sales of the month, cost of goods sold for this month, your COGS, and then expenses, net profit, outstanding balance. And you can see things like number of customers, suppliers, and things like that. Okay. And you can also see trend, like how your profit you've been making for the past 6 months, and your cost of goods expenses, your revenue and cost of goods slash expenses for the past 6 months as well. So this is generally like the dashboard. There are so many other reports that can show here, and you're supposed to have the right access or the right role to be able to access your dashboard. So not everybody in your company should be able to access your dashboard. Okay. So as you can see here, this is test company TrueWorks Limited, and we have in headquarters. So you can have multi-branch, you can have other branches, as many as possible, on the same platform. So if you have a company, let's say in Douala, and you want to manage your different branches under the same umbrella, then we can just create more branches, and those branches will be automated on their own, okay, on the application. The first module is the task management module. Now, this module is quite very important for businesses, especially service businesses as well, where you give instructions to your subordinates and you want to monitor how they are performing. For example, you just need to come here and then you create a new task. For example, this is task management, so I just need to come this way and then I create a new task, and you can put the title of the task and then you assign it to a particular staff. If you have different staffs on your in your company, you assign them to staff, and immediately you create the task, the staffs are notified that a task has been created. So I'm going to give you an example. Ensure you check notifications. Love t-shirts, pens for the local staff. So if you click on each task, you are going to see the print job for local staff. We have to print 4 suppliers, for example, and the customer is Nestle Cameroon. This task is 25 days overdue, and you can see exactly what was asked. So you can click on this and also see the details of the picture. So your staff subordinates can upload pictures, and you can see exactly everything that's happening. So in this case, you know exactly pending task, you have in progress, completed task, and completed and delivered task. So you monitor your business and you manage your employees, like what they are doing, if they are actually performing or not. And then up here you have a performance report for each task, and you can see for a particular for each employee, you see the number of tasks assigned, number completed, incomplete, and then you have a completed on time. There is a score, and then completed after 2 days, completed after 5 days. You create this score for yourself. Like the company I mean creates this score. So you're going to see assigned, completed, incomplete, and then the score that they are having, and you can monitor all your employees based on that. This system can take as many employees as possible, and we just need to set the rules. And then the next thing we have here is a Talk. I call this Talk. Talk is like a chat application where you can chat with your employees on the platform, and it also sends you can also receive notifications. So each time you have a notification, it comes to your chat. So your Talk chat is what we have on the platform as well. and it's used to chat with other employees on the platform. And you can also create a group and add as many employees as possible, and you guys can chat within your company so that information that you share remains in your company. It doesn't go to a third-party platform. And then, of course, there's a notification center right here where everything that happens sends you a notification. We also have push notifications where your things that happen on the app, even if the app is not active, is sent directly to your phone or your device. So you have it on your phone device. It's notified even if the app is not active. So you see notifications like daily summary. You see here sales, one invoice, and then outstanding invoice, and so on and so forth. Inventory and low stock and task and all of that. All the notifications come here, and each time you open your application, you open the Kupshi app, you see the notification right here, and that calls your attention to it. Even if the app is not open, you see it on your phone or on your computer, on your desktop, and you can act on that. Next, we are going to look at the customer module, guys. As you can see, when you click on customer module, you have the customer list, and you're going to see here that we have all our customers here. And right from here, you can see their balances, how much they are owing us, okay, or how much they are owing your company. The phone numbers and emails, when we created, this was not inputted, that's why it's blank. But you have different customers, KP001 and so forth and so on. And if you click on anywhere in the customer, it has what we call a slice and dice approach. So anywhere you click on, it goes down, and then you see the invoice, total amount billed, paid, and then the balance. So you see that status is paid, balance is the payment status is partial. And if you click on that particular invoice, you're going to see total paid, balance, and so on and so forth. The days that it was paid and the amounts, you're going to see them. So you can come here and click and print this invoice. So you're going to have this here. Everything is coming down perfectly. So you see that you have total invoice, total paid, and what is the balance right down there. So you can print this, you can send it as a PDF, or you can download it as PDF. You can send it directly to WhatsApp. If the WhatsApp phone number was inputted when creating the customer, you're going to have it here, so you can send through WhatsApp, or you can send an email, okay? So we're just going to go back. So that's what happens for invoices. You can do a pro forma invoice, you can do credit notes, and so on and so forth. And then there's also payments, where you can see all the list of payments, and you see exactly what each person has paid. So right here we have a payment history. You also know what they paid, and you can print, send through email or through WhatsApp. So that's customer for you. Now, the next module is supplier module. Same thing, you have a supplier module, you have a supplier list, and you can see exactly what happens for each supplier, amounts paid, what you're owing them, and so on and so forth. And you have what has been approved, what has been paid. You can, print this as well, or you can download it on PDF, okay? And then you have purchase invoices, and you also have like expenses, where you input all the various expenses for your company by selecting the expense category. You realize that you don't have to do any accounting here because it's quite straightforward, okay? That's for expenses. And then you have inventory. Now, this is one of the most interesting modules where your inventory is tracked. So you have all the inventory you have for your store or whatever business you have. And if you